how to set data usage warning and limit on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down. You will see first option is Connections. After click on Connections, scroll down and click on Data Usage. After click on Data Usage, you will see Billing Cycle and Data Warning. After click on Billing Cycle and Data Warning, click on, you will see Set Data Warning is here. If you want to set data warning and limit, so if you want to turn off set data warning, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see set data warning is turn off. If you want to turn on set data warning, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see set data warning is turn on. You will turn on or turn off set data warning from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set data usage warning and limit on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.